I no understand for this dope people wey be presenters. I no really understand. Like, if somebody they do im own things for Facebook, why it be say una go wan go bring leg come out? Must everybody do saga on social media? Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, e get one video when I see say Mary Edos do just now, like the thing shockalize me, my darling people. The thing shock me. I don't understand. Must everybody do saga? I see say Mary Edos dey send message to one lady. This lady, she dey do her own things. Na Edo woman, and then na Queen Iyobosa. Una go know her. She dey always dey do her lifestyle. She say she like designer. She like to dey buy things. Na clothes be the sickness wey she dey sick. So if she not buy clothes a day, she no dey fit stay. So your husband like am. So she dey do her own things without saga. She still dey get views. You understand? Must everybody do saga on social media? Abeg, una help me leave una comment because me I no understand. Which one Mary Edos you wake up this morning now? Say na to come use Queen Iyobosa and I can't do saga. Me I no understand. My darling people, I go put the video where Mary Edos do send message to Queen Iyobosa. Okay, now only she remain now. Una never draw con saga now. Una don't first see a driver enter as before she can still come back again now. She dey do her own things. She know they even dey poke nose. I never see this Queen Iyobosa say she can't poke nose for wetin dey happen for social media. She never do am once. Wetin one come make Mary Edos now come draw this lady now come saga now? Must everybody do saga on social media? Must everybody? Because if Queen Iyobosa now see this video now, maybe she fit want to respond. From there now, she will come out for the wetin she dey do before. She will come enter saga. This lady she know they do saga, but she dey get view. Sometimes I dey see say 1K they watch her. She don't even monetize for Facebook without saga. If na me be una wey dey do saga, I would dey shame. Because even with the saga, many of una amaye yobawa, nothing. You understand? So this lady now wanna do saga. Now why they draw area? They wala wo gbere ivo. Mona take her easy. Amana hamori abo wait or you abo waiting ye doleji. My darling people, I go put the video now. Mona see look wetin make me the verse. Whether wetin Mary Edos talk for this video, whether it really makes sense, my darling people. When I will leave una comment for the comment section. Thank you, everybody. Take care. Bye.
Iyobosa, that girl, she dey make big money and criminal. Don't be lie. They call her Iyobosa, Mrs. Iyobosa. You go to Igbe your honey. Hey. She said to the sentence to go give people. You don't have to put her on for life. Say you want dash somebody. Say na business. See person where they do business. They tell say me they do business. You can go your honey na go you and I go give you a car. Me where they play. When somebody see that you ship something to somebody, the other one will not buy. The other one will not buy. It's Africa. She will be unless me. I see they sell because some people they just love me natural. Now make me see they sell something. If not, I don't go to sell one thing because if person see say these two things they grand, person buy one. They don't like to buy the other one, African people. But me go show and say they buy one they buy the African don't they like those kind of things, but me they show up. You see that Iyobosa. You're the really business person with this Facebook. If I lie, Mrs. Iyobosa, unwa boy, wa. Netalo la wegbe. Who ekosio wede. You have your born over Ugu no I got my Facebook. Me they play, they joke, they laugh, I just look everybody, they laugh. Say, see this one. If I sit down and say, I know what this one is up to. If I see the other one, I say, I know what this one wants. Yes, I know. I don't know who ask you question. You they carry things they give people. You say you know the show. You are a liar. You must show am. Because na Facebook, audio dey o, na lie o. They will say, I ship to this person, na lie. They not ship anything. Na lie, na lie. Na lie. She not ship anything. Na audio. The same person where they ship her, ship things they give people. You come video am. He say na business. He say na I own I good. I like you. Hair where you dey put for human hair. You don't know how many people that they order that. I be like the presenter. I know what I talk. You know how many people that they order that hair. Your phone for WhatsApp. As you finish that live video, as you dey wait, as you dey finish, people don't line up. Say I want that hair. I want that hair. I want that hair. You are a fool for coming out to talk to. You have to shut up, Mrs. Yobosa. You tell her to lie with Facebook. Tomorrow now. You say people don't define yourself, but if they don't talk to you, you open your mouth. You got go egwa. Even though they don't mention my name. Yeah, people. As now they make the money, so I'm not fit buy house for Europe. It's a shame. I no get my house for Europe. My guy their life, I not get nothing. Nonsense and ingredient. Abazen. Nyaziga son. When you me was say I mean avec me I mean ya. Abazen pour moi. Aba mi yon me avec me. Ah. Il m'en a dit, il vient de cinéma. Il vient de bon ok. Ah, il dit, mais now, see aussi this Mrs. Yobosa will be also. You all carry your children. They don't able to move. They will do like this. They be like robot. Children where they suppose the social. Or what be nice so about so oversize. If we more. If you be a can ya 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 Facebook, who vive well at dia. Or that for not what only do I my husband is not going to daytime work again. My husband is going to night work. Now lie. Your husband not the work because of social media. I don't dey bawe. Then when I was on water. I don't know now. Mr. Yobosa, I get out of the with Facebook. He go back, go my boy, but he was this when you were. You have to make sure Nungi. You have to shut up and make sure Nungi there. Yes, so. And do your stupidity what you do for them. What have you beg? When you are doing your thing, you see it's good for you, you shut up. Don't just talk because people they Facebook and they watch like me. Without my social media, your life you were. My life is on social media. Now let me one night to do all these things. My family is out of it, man. All of my phone. My life don't finish like that now. Dress my children. When I say, hello guys, look at my children. Look at my husband. That phone has found quick or zoo. Oh, that boy, that's Mr. Yobosa husband. Anyway, go off your tour with Nigeria. Kawoya, where I shine, now. You will not give it. Ella, wa. Eta lo la we now, Mrs. Yobosa. Ma no hear me where my ear will hear me. Yeah, will hear me like a bomb. Mrs. Yobosa. I know so you deserve. I know. You see Pretty Sharon? I like her. That girl. She just made that business. She just advertise. But the way she talks, they okay, no get me mewa. You know, yeah. Oh my God, she just want people to buy. If I don't know Sharon, when I go they follow they buy something. I too like that girl. Sharon Empire, no. Me agunya lave. Yeah, got it. Sharon, not Sharon now. I like her. Oh, Yakubu. Oh, son of her. I like her. Where? Even though say she dey sell you in my hair. You know me. Person where I like her must like her. Je bossa na unu nyama na go pia yusa. O le ta lo lawe egbe. O lawe egbe na. We mi won. My people do not say anything. Not joke me there. I did fine. Meme problem. Go and learn a do language. I send you a message. Go and learn a do language for that. Sharon Empire. What's the matter? I'm